Sawadee-krap. Welcome to another episode of Insights by 88property.com. Today, we are going to talk about Thailand's unique laws regarding foreigner ownership. Let's explore the ins and outs of Thailand's foreigner quota condominium law, as well as restrictions on land ownership. If you're ready, let's dive right in. Thailand, an international destination for travelers, naturally has drawn the attention of many potential property buyers when they visit, and more often than not, gets lured by the lifestyle that Thailand can offer. The next usual step for many smitten foreigners would be to plan for a retirement home or an investment property with a view to migrate in the near future. However, when it comes to condominiums, there's a law in place that restricts foreign ownership. Now, let's break it down. The foreigner quota condominium law states that in any condominium building, no more than 49% of the total unit space can be owned by foreign nationals. This is to ensure that the majority of the building remains in Thai hands. The remaining 51% must be owned by Thai citizens. This is synonymous with the Thai government's main policy of ensuring Thai nationals holding the majority of land rights to prevent the kingdom's land from being eroded by citizens from its richer Asian neighbours. This is especially important as the condominium owner also enjoys a share of the land rights which the building sits on and potentially could lead to an en bloc sale for redevelopment many years down the road. So how does this quota system work in practice? Initially, the quota system might seem like a hurdle, but once you understand its dynamics, it becomes manageable. Before a resale unit can be transacted between a Thai national and a foreigner, the agent or homeowner has to check with the juristic office that the quota has not been breached. The officer at the land office where the transfer will take place will ask for certification from the condo juristic that this quota will not be breached before approving the transaction. Therefore, before committing to a purchase as a foreigner, it is essential to understand the ownership makeup of the project if the seller is Thai. However, if the seller is a foreigner, then this becomes a safe transaction as there will be no change to the quota status quo. Now, let's shift our focus to another aspect, land ownership. Unlike condominiums, Thai law restricts foreign ownership of land. But fear not, there are legal and strategic ways that we can work around this. Foreigners are generally prohibited from owning land, but there are legal structures like long-term leases and companies that can be used to secure land for specific purposes. One popular method for foreigners to secure land is through leasehold agreements. These agreements allow the foreigner to lease the land for an extended period, providing security without direct ownership. Many developers sell their villas on such 30 plus 30 years lease agreement, and the lease auto-renewal is written into the sales contract during the purchase. Another avenue is to set up a Thai company which can legally own land. However, there are regulations and considerations to keep in mind. The biggest challenge is to find a worthy and trustable Thai shareholder for the company, which is also subject to the 51-49% ruling that states the Thai shareholder has to have the majority ownership of the company. Many foreigners resort to appointing nominees to hold the majority Thai shares, but the major decision-making will be made by the foreign directors. However, there remains elements of risk for such arrangements and is also somewhat skirting the edges of Thai law. It will be better to seek legal advice from a legal professional in order to protect your rights as the main contributor of funds for the purchase. Probably the best option for a foreigner would be to open a BOI, Board of Investment Approved Company. BOI companies are special companies that are given special exemption of normal rules by the government of Thailand. BOI companies are able to be owned 100% by foreigners, as well as be able to purchase freehold land in the 3 provinces designated as EEC districts. They are the provinces of Chachoengsao, Rayong and Chonburi, of which Pattaya City lies within. However, the submission process is long and grueling, with the decisions being made on the magnitude of the contribution to the economy of Thailand. The companies that are eligible to apply for BOI status needs to fall into the following categories: technology and innovation development, agriculture and agricultural products, mining, ceramics and basic metals, light industry metal products, machinery and transport equipment, electronic industry and electronic appliances, chemicals, paper and plastics, service and public utilities. It is recommended to use a BOI agent or lawyer to go through the whole application process, as it is a long and tedious process comprising multiple submissions, interviews and validations. Do reach out to us if you need recommendations. Thailand's real estate scene is undoubtedly unique, with its foreigner quota condominium laws and restrictions on land ownership. However, armed with knowledge and the right guidance, navigating these waters can lead to incredible opportunities. Remember, the key is understanding the relevant laws, seeking expert advice, and embracing the experiences that this beautiful country has to offer. I hope you have learned something today. If you have liked our content, do give us a like and a share or a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more future content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!